Her father was gone, his workshop untouched. The moment she touched it, she felt Chi-Chi.
Every cinematic shot you just watch, generated entirely by AI. This is Vidu, the only AI video platform that turns your story into a full cinematic film, dialogue, sound effects, and character consistency, all inside one tool. Today, you will know exactly how to build something like this yourself. So let's dive in. Head over to vidu.com. This is your creative command center, where ideas transform into reality. Sign up. When you're inside, you'll notice 3 core generation modes. Reference to video, for consistent multi-shot storytelling across scenes. Image to video, for animating a single image into high-speed action. Text to video, pure prompt to video. 3 modes. 1 workflow. Let me show you how I used all 3 to build this film. The concept. For the full story, I am using ChatGPT. The concept is so simple. A young female apprentice, Yuki, finds a broken katana, and it revolves around her late father. Then how the world shifts. It gave the full story concept, and it provides scene-by-scene planning, image prompt, and video prompt for every scene. That's all you need. 1 session. Everything is ready. Build your character. Inside Vidu's image generation tool, you will find reference to image and text to image option. I am going with text to image. I described Yuki, a young Japanese female apprentice, dark hair, front view and side view, plain white background. And I selected the Nano Banana Pro model. Select resolution as 2K and aspect ratio as 16:9. I hit generate. This is Yuki's reference image. This single image is what keeps her face, her outfit, identical across every single scene in the film. Save it. This is your anchor. Generating scene images. For generating every scene image, first we need to set the reference image. Select reference. Now upload your Yuki and name it. You can even set the voice, but I am skipping it. Then the next step is to describe your character and save it. It is simple. Let's generate our scene images. In the reference to image section, select your reference. See, Yuki is selected automatically. For scene 1 type, Yuki enters an old traditional Japanese workshop. Same model. Keep the settings the same. Now click generate. It will take a little time and boom. Look at that. Yuki is in her father's workshop. For scene 2, follow the same process. Type. Yuki kneeling on the dusty floor gently touches a broken katana. See the result. Yuki's emotion is captured perfectly in that single moment. Now for scene 3 type, I will use text to image. Because here a Yuki reference image is not needed, just type father training young Yuki and other village boys. It is really stunning. I repeated this for every scene in the film. By the end, I had a complete visual storyboard. Every scene, every character, perfectly consistent. Video generation. Now we have to bring every scene to life. I am going to use the image to video option. I upload scene 1's generated image as the start frame, then uploaded the second image. Then I pasted the motion prompt. Yuki stands in the dusty workshop, then she kneels down and her fingertips barely touch the blade. Vidu provides a 16-second long video option. No other tool offers such a long video generation. I am going with 16 seconds. Select Vidu Q3 model. It syncs audio automatically. And click Generate Video. See how Yuki comes to life. It is so interesting that using 2 scene images, I got a complete clip. Consistent character, cinematic movement, sound, all inside Vidu. For scene 3, I am going to use reference to video. I am just using father, young Yuki, 3 boys, and background images as references. The images are tagged here now. Type the motion prompt. Father stands demonstrating a sword stance. Young Yuki and boys practice in a row. The camera slowly pulls back, revealing the full scene. Use the same model. Set duration as 8 seconds and click generate. Look at that. From 4 different references, you got a complete clip of the memory flashback. For your understanding, I have used the image to video option for same scene. Here is the image which I had generated. Here I got this result. So, you can use reference to video or image to video as per your need. For scene 3, I am going with image to video. Just upload the image and type prompt and I am done. I repeated this exact process for every single scene in the film. Same steps. Every time. Until every scene was alive. Okay, for narration, I am using 11 Labs. Just give the dialogue, set the voice artist, and it will generate the narration. Editing. For editing, I'm using Filmora. Now that you have all your video clips, drop them into the editor in scene order. Watch it through once. Already it feels like something real and powerful. Add the narration. Fix the timing. Use fade transitions between the memory flash clip. It keeps the emotional tone consistent. Use a cinematic bar. I am adding caption. Fix the timing and hit export. You just made a film. Let's watch the final output.
Her father was gone, his workshop untouched. The moment she touched it, she felt Chi-Chi. He never taught her to fight. He taught her when not to. It took 10 hours, but some things are worth fixing. They came for the sword. They did not expect her. One choice, no hesitation. She chose peace, but she did not step aside.
Not just visuals. It captures the heart of Japanese anime emotion, made entirely on Vidu. From a single idea to a fully realized short film within 10 minutes. Your imagination is the only limit. Go to vidu.com. Link is in the description. Make an incredible film. If you found this video inspiring, hit that like button, subscribe to get more updates. Until next time, happy creating.